Okay, this is gonna be a little bit different video from what I'm showing you before. I just wanted to show you my setup where I'm testing and working with my electronics. This is usually my work PC, and normally I use the screen for work. But I do have a Windows PC up here, so I'm not always using Mac, but mainly. But I have a PC up here with the Windows, and there beneath here you see there's actually an oscilloscope. It's a picoscope, just a smaller one. It's doing the job for me. And here you see the interface for picoscope. It also has a function generator, so you can have an output. Another tool that I use for measurements, let me take all these wires away here. It's for my soldering tubes. You're gonna see that in a moment. Okay, I have another tool here. It's the Rev, and I use that for audio measurements with the mini DSP microphone. So there I use that, and that also has a very nice a generator. So that's connected to here and goes to my stereo, where I test all my speakers and amplifiers when they're not here on the desk. This is anti-static mat I have beneath here, so that is also okay. Then I have my Vario. It's what's called you have a primary and secondary here, so I'm decoupled from directly from the net, and I can variate the output. So when I'm turning up valve amplifiers, I normally do it slowly so I can see if anything goes wrong or if I have a short circuit, and you can see the voltage and you can see how much current it's drawing. Here you have some probes. Then I have a small, this is all Bang & Olufsen. Bang & Olufsen is probably mostly known out in the world for their audio products, but they had this line of we call it a professional equipment for measurements, and so they're really nice. I have them. Some of it I had since my apprenticeship in the late 80s and the start of the 90s. So and a small power supply. It's always handy to have a power supply. Then I have a function generator here. I usually use this for audio. It doesn't go that high up in frequency, and that's nice. So it's 10 kilo times 100, so that's the frequency I can go up to. So means 100k. It's a Winbro, so it has a very nice output. The DIN connector here, it has a left and a right output, so I can turn off left and right or just use this one. I think that Bang & Olufsen used these RF connectors in the past, so I have this adapter on, because who the hell is using that anymore, like the DIN connectors? But that's something Bang & Olufsen still do. Then I have some of my soldering irons. This is just something I actually got today, so this is really, really new. I haven't tested it out so far. I have this Weller WMD3 station here, and it has actually 3 irons to it right now. It has my standard iron here. It's a VL21 iron. You can exchange the tip. It's a little bit dirty tip, so yeah, I didn't do well with that one. And then I have this is a 100 watt one that I got today. There's no tip on it, so that's just that you know. It's I think it's something WSP80. It's a very nice. I'm looking forward to working with that. And then there's here, so you can extract fumes. You could also get this for this one, but I haven't had it. I don't do that much. So, but this one has an output where it has an air output and a vacuum. And here comes the interesting, because I have one of my soldering irons. This is the desoldering iron, DXS 80 something, I believe it's called. Something with 80. And here you can probably see the tip. It's open, so you can desolder using this. And then I haven't got it working yet, but I got this HAB1. This is also open in the end, and this is completely something else, because this can, what could we call it? It can put air out with, let's see what I put it to. So here, so it should be able to give you an hot air of 450 degrees Celsius. So I'm looking forward to working with that, especially with SMD components. This might be very handy. So yeah, so this is something I've been, yeah, this is where I do my videos. You probably recognize the desk anyway. I cleaned it a little bit up today. So but all these nice old Bang & Olufsen's and my new Weller soldering station, desoldering station. It's I'm really looking forward to this, because it can be really tedious working with the desoldering. There's this. It's a copper mixture you can put on, and then you can it will suck up the tin. So, but it's not as nice as this one, and you there's a less chance that you ruin a board when you're using a desoldering iron like this. So, but yeah, it cost a fortune. I got it at a fair price, but it is worth it. I used it a lot doing my apprenticeship in the past. So yeah, so that's my workbench, and yeah, I'm probably gonna get a real oscilloscope. Not that I'm not happy with the picoscope, but sometimes it's nice quickly to have a button that you can push on or something, and you can make quick changes. But let's see what I'm doing there. Hope you can use this for anything. Something here else. I also have my speakers up here. I actually have some Bose speakers at the desk when I'm doing my work. And up here, you've probably seen them before, is my old KEF reference rear speakers, and with an adapter box, so I can use jack outputs for guitar things, and then I can also use it for hi-fi things. So just to have some kind of load on a valve output, you need to have that. So yes, my stereo you're gonna see another day, not today.